once again. This is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. Today, me and my son again is in Strasburg, Pennsylvania, and we came up here to the Strasburg Railroad to check out Thomas the Train today. They got Thomas the Train here. Say hello, Forbes.
Hi.
And we're on an adventure today to check out all the trains up here and Thomas also. So sit back and enjoy this vlog and follow us on this great adventure today of Thomas the Train. So here we got one of the regular trains going by. Now this isn't Thomas, but this is the regular Strasburg dinner train that you can get aboard. Today we're not riding any of the trains. We just come up to film today because Thomas is sold out today. It's like $26 per person, but that includes your meal on one of the dinner cars. So let's check out this old steam engine coming. Now here's what these old trains run on is coal. There's a pile of coal here. This is what they burn. So follow us as we check out some more sights and sounds of the Strasburg Railroad. Here we got a photo op of one of the Thomas the Train characters of Rusty. People getting their pictures taken with Rusty. We are in Amish country too, by the way. This is up here's around Lancaster and Strasburg are a lot of Amish. And a train water tower there in the distance. It's a really neat place to come and bring your family for a weekend excursion. So let's walk around here and see what we have. Again, there's the steam engine that just went by not too long ago. There's one of the carriage buildings where they keep some of the trains. You can see one of the engines there in the building. One of the steam engines here that went by, we're checking out a closer view of it.
1924. 1924?
So this one's a 1924 engine.
They were making them into the early 50s. Okay. Most were done by the mid-40s, building them. Some railroads continued on. Yeah. Some people are trying to save steam before the uses came, but didn't.
Steam letting off there, keep the engine cool. They have different little stores and stuff here. Here's an actual railroad toy store where you can buy souvenirs. There's a little train ride that they do. So there's a lot to see and do up here. It's basically mask free here in Pennsylvania for the most part. Little train taking off. Some places are still requiring a mask, but not all. But here, pretty much everybody's mask free, even in the buildings. If you're vaccinated, then you don't have to wear a mask. Here's a general store where you can buy more souvenirs. They have a little restaurant up here where you can get sandwiches and things like that. Food you can buy, barbecue. So there is a lot to see and do up here. The excursions are usually about 45-minute ride. You can either get coach or ride on the dinner cars. It's totally up to you. So yeah, again, we are in Strasburg, PA. Come up to see Thomas the Train today, me and my son. So follow us on this adventure, and we'll get down here when Thomas comes back, and we'll be sure to film him. So follow us. So we'll go ahead and go in the toy store, train store here, while we look around a little bit, waiting on Thomas to come back. We'll see what they have. Go ahead, man. They have a lot of Thomas things for sale.
Hold on.
Different little toy trains. Ones you can buy, train sets. Not too bad on price for the train sets. Got a lot of Thomas toys for kids. Thomas videos that you can buy. T-shirts and jackets, different things. Little T-shirts for the kids and night clothes. Got the little plush Thomas the Train. Everything Thomas, balls, bath blankets, little Thomas the Railroad Train hat. Books on Thomas. So a lot of little neat things for your small toddlers to buy on Thomas the Train. Of course, my son's at the age where he's out of this, but he still likes to look at the trains like I do, the big trains. So yeah, there's a lot up here to see and buy. So follow us as we continue, and we'll see what else they have to offer. I believe the train might be getting ready to take off again. I'm not sure. We're gonna cross over here and I believe it's getting ready to take off again. So we'll sit here and watch it go by, and we're waiting on Thomas to come back too, which he should be coming back soon. sure how soon before we take off here. Well, we'll sit around here a few minutes and wait to see if the train takes off, and we're waiting on Thomas in the meantime. So follow us on this adventure. All right, folks, we got Thomas the train coming back from its little diversion here. Like I said, it's like a 45-minute trip. You can eat on the train in the dinner cars. Like I said, it's like $23 to $26 a person. Children under 3 are free. So I mean, it's worth it because you get a 45-minute train ride and also a little lunch. I think they serve like different sandwiches, hamburgers, chicken fingers, stuff like that, and fries and a drink. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and film Thomas as he's coming up here in the distance. And Thomas is coming down the track now toward us. So me and my son are here and close to the tracks, and we want to film Thomas coming in. And Thomas the train is now pulling into the train station. I think it's slowly pulling in here, waiting for the other train maybe to take off down here. I'm not sure.
Yeah, we're watching. We're standing right on the grass.
Yeah. Waiting for him to get a little closer so you can get a good view of Thomas. So he's slowly coming in. I think he's waiting for these other trains too, because the one train will take off and go as Thomas is pulling in. Hear Thomas in the background huffing and puffing. Okay, so the other train's coming now. We'll get a view of that before Thomas comes by. So the regular steam engine's now pulling out. People waving as they go by. waving. Now these are the dinner carts here with the regular dining tables. Other train coming up behind. That's so they can attach and pull backwards. Got one engine on each side of the train, one to pull and one to pull back on the other side. They go down a 45 minutes and come back. Here comes the other engine that will be pulling this train back. So here comes Thomas now. Thomas will be pulling in. There he comes, a huffing and a puffing. Thomas the train. There's Thomas the train. Everybody's waving. And Thomas is pulling in. So once again, this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the red subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Feel free to give it a thumbs up, leave your comments, suggestions of what you thought of the video or other things you would like to see in the near future. Hit the notification bell at the top right hand corner to let you know when new videos are uploaded. So again, Uncle Jimmy, and this is my son Forbes, and we've enjoyed having you with us on this adventure, and please join us again. Until next time, get out there and have your own adventures and enjoy life. And once again, it's Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. I'm Uncle Jimmy. Till next time, goodbye.